Hello my people, welcome once again to this channel. Today I'll be sharing secrets on how to beat the queue in the banking hall. Yes, this is because this period is the period of school fees. When parents hear about school resumption, it breaks the heart. You see so many parents begin to frown. So many parents begin to ask, how do I manage this queue in the bank, or how do I go about, what do I do so that I won't go and waste all my time in the bank, because of queue of school fees. It's always heartbreaking. You can spend the whole day in the bank because of, yeah, especially in Nigerian banks. So though the system is improving now, but the last time I checked, during school fees, especially first term, like this period, it is a period, especially first term. That does not mean it doesn't happen in other terms, but first term is always hectic because of parents that new pupils that got admission into secondary school, students who got admission into universities. A lot of the session is starting afresh, the new section altogether. Okay, so it breeds a lot of crowd in the banking hall, especially here in Nigeria, here in Africa. So, but how do you outsmart these queues? How do you outsmart them? Number one, go early to the bank.
Yes.
Go early, because they say early to bed, early to rise. If you go early, you'll be able to be attended to early enough, then so that you go back to your business. That is the number one. Early to bed, early to rise. That time we used to sing it in primary school, secondary school. Now it is a reality. Okay. Then the number two is this, but I will share. The fourth one will shock you. The fourth one is even the main one. But the second one is this. The second one is beg the crowd. Peradventure you are a medical doctor, a banker, civil servant of different categories, and you can't queue in the bank. You have limited time outside your office. Special, maybe a barrister, all these special professions, a policeman, a policewoman, a military personnel, armed personnel, military and paramilitary organizations or personnel. They are always time conscious. Unlike the self-employed persons, the businessmen. However, even a businessman needs time to go back to his or her office, to go back to his or her business area, shop, workshop, uh, what have you, name it. How do you beat the queue in the banking hall? The second one is what? You can beg the crowd. If you have a genuine reason, you can beg the crowd. They will have a way of doing what? Uh, Agreeing with you and pitying you based on your the explanation. If you can talk to them, if you can appease them, if you can convince them, oh, don't go and try it when with angry Q. Don't go and try it with angry Q. Don't tell them that your online account officer say you should beg them. Just find a way and talk to them. They will do what? They will, especially when you use good tone, when you use good voice, when you have cogent reasons. So don't go and cause trouble in the banking hall. That's not what I'm saying. Don't go and cause trouble. But if you have cogent reason, you can talk to them. They will accept it. They will allow you. They will allow you to get attended to before them. Then the third one is this. The third one is what's the third one? The third one is this. You can use you can use your ATM card and pay through the point of sale. You can pay through the point of sale, POS. Then they will print receipts and give to you. You take the receipt to your school bursar. They will give you the school receipt. It is acceptable means of payment. It is acceptable once you be given evidence of payment. Don't go and pay through ATM. Oh. Most ATM don't give receipts, and the school will always ask you for receipt. Don't go and pay through the ATM. Don't say I did not tell you. You can pay through the point of sale. Then the other one is this, the fourth one. Yes, I told you the fourth one will amaze you. The fourth one is this. You can go and meet the manager. Don't tell him I'm the one that sent you. If you have but this is if you have cogent reason. Oh. If you have cogent reason, yes, you will have a way of begging the crowd or using any approach on them. They will be attended to. If you have a serious reason, don't go and cause trouble in the banking hall and say, "Na me send you." I don't send you. Then the fifth one is what's the fifth one? The fifth one is you can pay through your mobile app. Or your mobile app, yes. You can pay through your mobile app. That's your mobile app. That's what I mean. You can pay through your mobile app. Print your receipt. Go to a computer center or business center and let them help you print your receipt. Take your receipt to your school. Take it to the school for what? So that the school can now acknowledge it and confirm it and issue you their own school fees receipt. I hope these informations are helpful. If they are helpful, please comment on the comment section. Share, drop your question or your suggestions. What else? Don't forget to like this page, subscribe to this channel, follow, like this page, follow us, comment, drop your question, comment on the comment section. If you don't have any question, just say nice video, just say thank you, just say I've learned something, just say anything good. All these things forms part of our reviews, is also good. Then don't forget to share it. Let your neighbor hear it. Let your neighbor see what, hear it, so that it will make it seamless. Then let me also add this one. You can give the money to your neighbor. If you trust your neighbor to be able to pay your child's school fees, you can give your neighbor your school fees to help you pay. Yes, if you have a good neighbor and you are a good neighbor too to your neighbor, but when you are doing this, try and give the person, support the person with transport fare, so that at least the person will be encouraged. Don't go and carry your own responsibility and give to another person and without form of appreciation or encouragement. It is not bribe, it is encouragement. Yes, because the person will be the one standing in the queue, the person will be the one doing everything, virtually everything. Then you'll be in your office, or your workshop, or your business area, you'll be making your money. Some other person will make out his or her time and go. So it is not bad if you appreciate the person. It is not bad. So thank you very much for your time. If these informations I've shared so far are helpful, please don't forget to give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this page. Don't forget to like our page on Facebook. Don't forget to follow this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Don't forget to like this page on Facebook and click follow. Click notification bell and tick all, so that when next I upload a new video, you will get notified. You will watch it and learn, so that we'll grow together. The aim of doing this is to make things easier for our people in this 21st century. Yes, that's what we are doing. Thank you very much for banking with me, and thank you for banking with us. Bye.